County in West Tennessee, southeastern Henry County in West Tennessee, until 11 p.m. At 10:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Huntington, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include McKenzie, Huntington, Camden, Brewster, Atwood, Vale, Springfield, Transavant, Hollow Rock, Big Sandy, Macklemoresville, Howley, Hillard, Mansfield, Leach, Palmer Shelter, and Wingo. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following county: Henry, Tennessee,